knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach.
Hey you guys, welcome back to Lady T Got the Tea. Today is Dollar Tree DIYs. They had these stackable pumpkins. I got the white ones because I plan on painting them 3 different colors: pink, blue, and white with glitter. So I have several different colors of paint. And I have my glue gun. I have some string lights. I also have a flame light. And yeah, I got some gold, some pink, some blue, some white paint. And my idea is to, you know, paint each one of them. There's 3 and each stackable. So let's go ahead and do that, you guys. I decided to hot glue this flame light at the top of the first pumpkin, the smallest pumpkin. Then I went ahead and painted this one with some gold glittery paint for the smallest one. After I painted these, I set them outside on my porch for a few minutes and they dried really, really quick. I wanted the rustic type look, and I have these blue pumpkins now style, like a design that I'm going for this year. So that's what the blue teal color is. And you'll see at the end, yeah. It came out kind of good. So you guys, when I got to the biggest part, the pink part, I thought I was recording, but I was not. So this is what they ended up to looking like. I added glitter on them. Got 2 of them, and they're both the same colors. But then at night, with the lights in them, it looked like 2, like an orange and a pink, and they came out really, really cute too. So I'm not sure if I'm going to leave them on the porch like that or put them down in my lawn with the rest of my lights. But it was a quick, easy, cheap DIY, and they came out really, really cute. Let me know down below if you tried it, you guys. Peace out.
So mad, but now it's at my